This AI video generator could take a simple prompt like this and turn it into a video like this.
Cash in on affiliate marketing in 2024.
In under 5 minutes. There is no need to create and edit your own footage and voiceover, and you can create up to 4 videos per week for free. So get ready, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a super high quality video without showing your face or writing the script or without the need to learn how to edit, all for absolutely free. So let's get ready. Now, if you've never heard of me, my name is Dad Learns Money. I'm an introvert who went from homeless to homeowner with high ticket affiliate marketing. And I've done multiple 6 and 7 figures with my own online business, as well as promoting other multiple affiliate products and services. Now, my goal for this channel is to help you build an infinite passive income business and achieve financial and time freedom, especially if you hate your job exactly like I did. Now, okay, so step 1, we're going to start by creating a free account at ai.nvidio.io. And once your account is set up, it's going to bring you on the inside where you'll be exactly in front of the AI tool. For this example of this video, we're going to be using the AI to help us with something in affiliate marketing, and we're going to tell it 5 of the best ways to make more money with affiliate marketing. We're going to tell it to create a YouTube Shorts video explaining how to do that. Now, just like ChatGPT and Midjourney, the better your prompt is, the better your results would turn out to be. Now, a real cool feature in this tool is that it allows you to reference any blog or any article from the web. Now, when you reference any blog or any article from the web, it's going to take that and you can use it for creating your script. And then the script can be used in your video. So you can share a link from a blog or an article on the internet that you want the AI tool to pull the information from. And then what will happen, the AI tool is going to read through the entire article and only pull out relevant info. Now, keeping that in mind, here's how we're going to write the prompt for the video. Create a video for YouTube Shorts on 5 ways on how to earn way more money as an affiliate marketer in 2024. Keep the duration under 45 seconds. Start the video by introducing the topic and use the title as the intro to the text. Then give the 5 ways and illustrate each with relevant stock clips. Keep the language super simple and easy to understand. Conclude the video by asking viewers which way they will work on first. Use an energetic American female voice for the voiceover. Pick points from this article. Now, from this article, I pulled it right here from SEMrush, which is a blog. I just copied that and I went to the prompt and I pasted it right here. Now, as you can see, I've included a few key details that you need to pay attention to when you're writing your prompt. I highly recommend that you use these same details when you're creating your prompt for whatever video you're trying to create. First thing I did, I included the platform, which is going to be YouTube Shorts. The second is the topic of the video. Include as much details as possible. The third is going to be the duration. The fourth is going to be the tone of voice and the style of the scripting. And the fifth is going to be the tonality of the voiceover. For this one, we chose American female voice. Now, you want to make sure that you add this because NVIDIA has hundreds of different types of voices, and you want to make sure it has the most appropriate voice and the most easy to understand voice for your niche that's going to resonate with your audience when you're done creating the video. And number 6, you want to make sure you add any other specific details. For example, we're using an article, so you want to make sure that you post that so that the prompt can know where to get the information from. Now, of course, if you want quick access to this prompt, I'm going to leave it down in the YouTube description, along with some others that you can use as well to make sure that you're creating your videos with the right prompts that's going to spit out the most detailed videos and close to what you're trying to do. So I got you. It's going to be down in the YouTube description. All right, so once you're all done with your prompt, you want to click on Generate Video. InVideo is going to start creating your video based off the prompts that you're having. So you're seeing it doing it live and in real time. Now, when it finishes, it's going to ask you for a few minor details. It's going to be real short and specific, such as your audience and also the look and feel of the face of the video that you wanted to spit out. And of course, lastly, the platform, but we've already included that, so we skipped that step. You can make some changes here if need be, but if everything looks good, you just want to click on continue. After that, it's going to lead you to this page, and right now, InVideo is creating our first draft, and it should just take a few moments. Down below, you'll see the link to join my free course, and by the way, did I say free? It's absolutely free. No games, no gimmicks, no upsells. You can join it and use this course to not only to learn about AI softwares, but how to make money with all of the industries together. I'm going to teach you the secrets of automated income. I'm going to teach you all my ultimate affiliate programs and software gold mines. I'm going to show you how to go from $0 to $100 a day using my email list alchemy. Even in the end, I'm going to give you my expert tools and programs I will to forge a 7-figure business from thin air. All that and more is down linked below this video. Let's hop back into it. Now, since we've already given it a pretty detailed prompt, there shouldn't be a lot of changes that we have to make. But just like any other AI tool, the results may not be 100% accurate. So be prepared. You may have to make just a few minor adjustments. But before we do, let me show you the first few seconds of the video before we make any changes.
Cash in on affiliate marketing in 2024. Here's how. 1. Dive into related marketing. Position yourself as a trusted authority in your niche and watch the commissions roll in. 2. Get involved. Forge deep connections with the products or services you promote. Your audience will sense your passion and respond. 3. Optimize your pay methods. Whether it's pay per sale, click, or lead, find what works best for you. 4. Research, research, research. Vet your marketing channels to avoid scams and maximize earnings. And 5. Choose the right niche. Align with your audience's interests and preferences for maximum impact. Which strategy will you tackle first to skyrocket your affiliate marketing income in 2024?
Oh my God, this was pretty impressive. So AI in Video just created a video that we can use on YouTube Shorts as is with, I don't even see anywhere I need to make any edits really. So it basically turned my inputs into an engaging script with a human sounding voiceover. I was looking at the stock footage and it was very appropriate for each clip that was on the video and in line with the text that was spoken within the video. I really did like the text on screen or the subtitles. They did that accurately and it used the correct female voice that I was looking for the video. However, we're still going to make a few changes. So let me show you how you would do that if it doesn't spit out whatever you put in 100% accurate. Now, there are 3 ways that you can make changes to this video. So number 1, if you don't like the overall look and feel of the video, which was one of the 3 prompts that asked us in the beginning before we click continue, all you have to do is go up here to the top right and click the plus sign. So you can go back and change any of the looks and feels, the audience, but definitely we're not going to change the platform. Now, I was definitely okay with all 3 of these things. Definitely the shorts, that's definitely formatted right. The look and feel was great, and it's definitely for the right audience, so we're going to leave that alone. Now, the other way you can edit it is going down here to the edit button, and it's going to bring you to this prompt right here. Now, on this page, you can edit any of the media, so you can change the style of the stock videos right here, or you can also click right here and change the script. So here you can change the script to anything else that you didn't like to something new. And it's really, really simple. All you would do is just act as if you're like typing on your regular computer on like a dock or anything. So you can highlight this. Say, for example, I just wanted to change that right there. I'm going to put it back, but all you would do is erase and just add in or take out what you want. So I'm just going to put that back. And if everything looks good, all you have to do is click on apply changes. Now, as far as the media, if you wanted to change any of these clips that you saw in the video that you didn't like, as you can see, it's broken down. So you can just click one of them and it's going to highlight where that script appeared based off the text that was in the video. And what you could do is just click these 3 dots up here. You can change the duration, you can change the center point, or you can change the entire footage altogether. So you can upload your own media, but we're not going to do that. All you have to do is just make sure this is highlighted, and you're going to go over to search and you can put in walking down the street and click on stock, and then make sure you press enter, and it's going to show you some results for that. And then all you have to do is just pick one that you like, and it's going to automatically replace that stock footage with the one that you chose. Now, I won't do that. I'm just trying to show you how this actually works, but it's pretty cool how you can do everything inside of this video. So when you're done, it'll be ready to publish. All right, but the third and final way is probably the easiest. All you have to do is just type in another prompt, and then it's going to change whatever you tell it to do within your prompt. Kind of like just like how we did in the beginning. So we're just talking to it like it's a regular person. It pretty much understands what we want, especially after we gave it the original prompt. So whatever you want to change in this video, you can just tell it without going through the other steps. So say, for example, one things I did want to make a change to was the music, but you could say add more clips. You could say take away some clips, make the duration longer, change the look and the feel of the video, whatever you want in this prompt. So I'm just going to click on change the music and click on generate. All right, so this took maybe like 15 seconds. I paused the video thinking it might take a little bit longer, but it was actually pretty fast. So right now, we have changed the music. Let's see what happened.
Cash in on affiliate marketing in 2024. Here's how. 1. Dive into related marketing. Position yourself as a trusted authority in your niche and watch.
That was absolutely amazing. I'm very satisfied with that music. The last music was a little bit too cinematic, and I think this fits a whole lot more. And as you can see, all I did was just put in the prompt and it did it for me. Now, just in case whatever it spit out you still didn't like, you can always go back to the original version by pressing the undo button right here, and it's going to go back to its original version. All right, but I really want you guys to see how powerful this new AI software is inside of AI in video. So I'm going to give it something a little bit harder. So I really pushed it to the limits. I gave it a long prompt. I said change all of the clips in the video and show more people like moms, dads, and 9-to-5 workers, as well as business driven people. Make sure they look happy. All right, so I really just went all the way out right there. Let's see what happens. All right, so that was just as quick as the last prompt I gave it. It's amazing how fast this moves. So let's check out the video and see the changes it made.
Your passion and respond. 3. Optimize your pay methods. Whether it's pay per sale, click, or lead, find what works best for you. 4. Research.
Wow, so I pushed it to the limits and it really delivered what I asked for. I asked for moms and dads working with kids. They're always smiling and looking happy. And it gave me exactly what I put in. And this is what's cool about AI. You want your videos to be as close to your target audience that you're trying to reach. So you want your videos to resonate with them, especially if you're going to be using AI because they have nothing to really go off of. But this is incredible. This is almost darn near perfect. Now, again, you can spend as much time as you want on each video and make as many changes that you want, even in the free version of AI in video. But when you're ready, all you have to do is just click the export button and go to export video, and it's going to give you these options right here. So of course, if you want no watermarks, you got to upgrade. But if you're okay with that, it's going to be free. And you can select the size or the branding, none. Of course, if you want subtle, then you're going to have to upgrade there. So if none and subtle, you want to do those, you got to upgrade normal. You won't have to pay anything. And then you could pick the resolution, 1080, 720, 480. 1080 for the free version is pretty sick, you guys. Most people don't give you 1080p for the free version. But once you're done, you would just click continue and it's going to download to your device. Now, if you do want to upgrade, of course, they have a free version. With the free version, you get 10 minutes a week of AI generation. So you can make 10-minute videos each week, but it's going to have the branding and the watermarks on it. So if you're okay with that, then you could get away with you can get away with the free version. Now, if you want to remove all those watermarks and you want access to more stock footage and you want 100 gigabytes of storage with unlimited exports, then it's going to cost you $20 a month. But this is for the yearly. So we'll switch to the monthly. It'll be $25 a month that you'll pay each and every month. But if you want to pay a year, you'll save 20%. All right. And for the max, it's $60 a month. And for the yearly, it'll be $48 a month if you paid it for the entire year. But for this one, you're going to get 200 minutes of AI generation, which is a lot, especially if you're doing YouTube shorts, 320 months of stock footage each and every month, 400 gigabytes, unlimited exports. All right. So if you're trying to really dive into this, I would recommend you go ahead and upgrade to one of these plans, which is Plus and Max. That way you have more access and more options to put out more content. Now, if you want to sign up for AI in video and get started with your free trial, I'll leave a link down below this video that you can click on and get started right now. Lastly, now that you know how to create these AI faceless videos, I want you to watch this video right here where I can show you what to do with it. Most importantly, how you can get traffic with it and turn that traffic into sales. I'll see you in the next video. And as always, you guys stay blessed and I'll see you on the other side of success.